Hi everybody, good morning. Jean Truelove Quilts for you. In my front room this morning after enjoying an incredibly busy weekend, and I thought I would like to share it with you guys. It's nothing quilting related. This is more family, Truelove Family related, but I thought you guys, my people, would be interested in just a few minutes and to see some photographs again of what happened over the weekend. We have 3 assemblies for our religion. We're Jehovah's Witnesses. A year. We have one in the spring, one in the autumn, and one during the summer, a larger convention. And they're called our assemblies. Our particular congregations come together for a circuit assembly. 2 circuit assemblies and a regional convention, which will be this year down in Philadelphia at a large convention arena. And about 3 months ago, Ian and I were approached by some brothers in our Kingdom Hall, our congregation, and asked if Maxwell would be willing to be interviewed for some of the challenges that he's faced over the last several years, leading up to his baptism, which was last year. And now you have to understand, this is before an audience of almost 1,000. Actually, there were 750 people in an auditorium with that seats about 1,000. For one on a Saturday and on the Sunday, he would be giving his interview on the stage. And we prayerfully considered it and ran it past Maxwell, and he says, yeah, I'll do that. And so, about 3.5 minutes of an interview of a dear brother asking him questions. What were some of the challenges? And, you know, losing our home and him being autistic and him not doing very well in school and then some other personal things that he divulged from his heart. Every single word was his own. And I just helped him to write it down. And he did a beautiful job. He absolutely did a fantastic job, obviously with help from our God, who gave him the calm and the wherewithal to be able to go up on a stage before hundreds of our brothers and sisters who just loved him. And so many of them were moved to tears to hear what Maxwell had to offer, and some encouragement and how someone with challenges, how he has coped with so many of disasters that have happened to us over the years. And it's only with God's Holy Spirit and prayer and keeping a positive attitude that we can go on. And he did just a wonderful job. I'm just going to put up a few pictures. I'm not going to put up the interview, but I'm going to we did video it, but I'm going to put up a few pictures of our Maxwell. He is our Maxwell up on the stage. And he was faultless. He was absolutely, we have practiced, I haven't told you this, but we have been practicing for this for months now. Asking for calm, and most of all asking for dignity. And the lovely part is we are assigned, different congregations are assigned different circuits, and so some of our children were in a different circuit, but 8 of them managed to come to hear Maxwell's part. It was just so wonderful, and to listen to it. And as I said, we'd have it recorded for the other person, for our other son who couldn't be there. It was just so lovely. So I didn't get a photograph. I was pretty much shattered with nerves, but being calm. And we had to get up very early, and we have been going through rehearsals at other congregations before the day. So our assembly was on the Sunday, but we had to be there on the Saturday at our assembly hall, which is just lovely, which is about 40 minutes from where we live. It was closer from where we lived. It was only about 15 minutes away, but it's about 40 minutes from where we live now. So anyway, I'm just going to take a few moments and at the end of the video and put up some pictures of our family who were there and some of the other little grandkids that you know. But I just want to close this off by saying we have a convention coming up down in the Temple University in the center city of Philadelphia. And it's so wonderful. Having said that, it's a 3-day convention, pretty much all day, which is lovely, and lots of spiritual food and nourishment that we need. And it was just so lovely to be surrounded by lovely, wonderful brothers and sisters from all over. But sometimes the seats in the arena gets a little bit uncomfortable, so we always take a pillow or blankets. But I just wanted to share with you Wow. One of my viewers, Charlotte, you know who you are, had sent me and Ian and Maxwell especially, the thought that went into these cushions that Charlotte has actually made cushion covers for the arena seating in any kind of arena. And there they are, all beautifully buttoned here to be able to wash, and handles. And look at the fabric. Maxwell was blown away. Look at the fabric that Charlotte chose for our Maxwell, for his arena seating. She sent them to us, and they're so handy. Instead of lugging a huge pillow, this is mine. And she had put the little name tags on it. This was mine, of course. It's red, but it has the beautiful strawberries. It's going to be so comfortable. It's awesome. And then this one is Ian's. His is a pure red with the little strawberries. So it's just wonderful. It's just wonderful because when we go to our conventions, it's a big thing. It's a very, very big thing. We're trying to imitate what our forefathers did. They went to festivals and temple 3 times a year and to worship, and that's what we do. That's why we have them 3 times a year. 2 smaller gatherings and 1 large one. But also, I just wanted to share with you that my friend Deborah, also, who's one of Jehovah's Witnesses, had sent us. Jen and I, she's made these beautiful journals here. So when we go to the convention, we can take notes on our journals. It's beautiful. It's for Jen, look, because she loves to bake. And mine flowers. Just awesome. My dear brothers and sisters, it's just so wonderful to belong to a lovely large family. Who really have, sincere love for each one of us. So I just wanted to share that with you. That was our weekend. And some of our kids came from, Jean-Pierre came from Jersey. He's the furthest away. And he and his wife and his 2 little children, who Warren and Arabella, came. So I just got a few pictures, but most of the kids were there. I didn't get a picture of everyone, though. And a couple of our grandkids are on vacation. So I just wanted to share that with you. I'm absolutely shattered. Maxwell is actually sleeping. He did so well. And it was so funny because we are a big family, and so many of the brothers and sisters afterwards, who we don't know, they're from different congregations, don't know them, but they were hugging Maxwell, and because it touched their heart, what he had to say. It was very, very, very touching and poignant and honest, extremely transparent. It came from our Maxwell. Really, really beautiful words. And he was sort of like, because he's autistic, sort of, to a certain extent, he comes over to me, he was a bit overwhelmed. He said, why is everybody hugging me and shaking my hand? And I'm like, because I love you, Maxwell. And he said, oh, okay, yeah, I hugged him back. But can we go eat now? It was just so lovely. He did so wonderful. And I just thought you guys who know him and love him would be so proud of him. It was awesome. And but we are shattered. We're just going to have a relax now. But I just wanted to share that with you, how wonderful it really was. And we had such a lovely time with our family over the weekend. So thank you so much for respecting us and appreciating what we bring to the table as we do you. We really enjoy this interaction with my people out there. As Maxwell said, are they your people? I'm like, of course they are. That's so lovely. So thanks, everybody. Really appreciate it. Have a lovely week. I will be getting back to my Carpenter Star quilt. Oh, my word. And do the backing on it. And maybe another project. Oh, somebody did say, because of the collaboration thing, I'm not doing that. Somebody did say, you should answer some questions that we have. Well, I'm thinking, I've been so transparent and so out there, what don't you know about our family and about us? But if you want to send me a question, I know Jen is coming later on this week. Maybe we'll be filming her a little bit later. If you want to send me a question or put it in the comments, and I would compile a list of questions that you have relating to anything. If I want to answer them, I will. If not, I won't. But yeah, that would be interesting. More of another Q&A, as Maxwell calls it. Anyway, I do hope you enjoy the pictures that are coming. It was just so lovely. And again, folks, have a lovely, safe day, and love from the Trueloves. Bye-bye.